A lot of people do not understand what is network marketing and how does it work. This type of marketing is a great way to make money online. It is easy to learn and is proven to work once you get into it. There are many different network marketing opportunities to choose from. I am going to go over some of the things that this business opportunity has to offer. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about what is network marketing and how does it work. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. The main business opportunity that people choose to get into is MLM or multi-level marketing. The companies that do this type of business bring people together to sell a product. They will take a percentage of what the product costs and then take a commission on every sale that is made. This is a good business to get involved with because there is no product that is being sold. People are not buying a service or product. Network marketing is also known as multi-level marketing. It is a business where many businesses combine together in order to sell more products. The business model is very simple. Someone decides that they want to become a distributor for a certain product. Then they go and search for other people who want to start in the business so that they can form their team and work as a team. These people then form a business partnership with each other. The business owner has the opportunity to get a percentage of the profits from the company that he or she is getting a small fee for. This fee is typically a percentage of the profits. Everyone involved in the network has a small fee for joining the business opportunity. This business is similar to an MLM, but instead of getting an M for an MLM, people get ANL for being a part of a company. What is network marketing as a good business to get involved in because the demand for it is not going anywhere? People are always looking for ways to make more money. People will continue to search until they find the perfect solution. There are also many people who use this opportunity because there is a lot of security involved. They have a safety net if things don't work out the way they hoped. One of the biggest reasons why most people join network marketing companies is because they have tried everything else and nothing has worked. They may be feeling frustrated and discouraged in life and feel like they are doing everything wrong. That is when they will benefit from the company they join. They get to learn new skills and take on new opportunities that they would not have had if they had continued to try to succeed on their own. You do not have to have a lot of money in order to join what is network marketing and how does it work. If you have a computer with internet access, you can get started very quickly. A good place to start is by reading what is network marketing and how does it work from online companies that will give you the training you need to get started. They will help you understand the whole process and how it can benefit you. When you decide that network marketing is what you want to do, it is time to find a network marketing company to join. There are many options available to you. Look for a company that offers training and guidance so that you know exactly what is required from you before you begin. If you want to build a huge business that will allow you to earn a lot of money, you should consider joining a company that offers replicated websites, affiliate programs, and other promotional tools. Those are just a few of the promotional tools that you can use to help your business grow. Thanks for watching my video about what is network marketing and how does it work. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video. Subscribe to my weekly newsletter for a better life now.